Daydrinking with Gary and Elliot. Daydrinking with Gary and Elliot.
Hey, day drinkers, it's Elliot coming to you live from my bar, live on tape from my bar, live on phone from my bar. Yeah, live on phone from my bar. It's a weird time. We're all on lockdown, socially distancing ourselves from each other, and you might be thinking to yourself, gosh, I really want to drink, but my bar that I like to go to is closed, and which is sad and unfortunate for those of us who like to go out and have a drink, and also for those bar owners and operators. Really hope we get through this fast, and so that we're able to go back to those establishments and patronize them like we've done in the past. But in the meantime, if you're at home and you're feeling like this thing has got you down and you want to make a drink, I'm here to help. Let's make a drink. Let's make an old-fashioned.
Here's what you need. Whiskey. I like mine with rye, but bourbon works too. Bitters. Angostura is the standard. Simple syrup. Sugar and water combined to make a syrup. And an orange. I'll tell you why in a moment. First, measure a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Then peel off a nice swath of orange peel, doing your best to avoid the bitter white pith. Ah, pith. What a word. Put the peel in the bottom of a rocks glass, skin side up, and then add the simple syrup and 2 or 3 dashes of bitters. Gently muddle the orange peel to express its oils into the syrup and bitters, which gives the drink a really nice citrusy note. Yes, I said note. Measure out 2 ounces of whiskey and add that to your glass. Then add a big chunk of ice and stir to chill. Big ice will dilute your drink less quickly, but if you only have refrigerator ice maker ice, use a lot to keep your drink nice and cold.
Well, there you have it, folks, the old-fashioned. Easy to make, delicious to drink. Okay, that's it for today from Day Drinking with Gary and Elliot headquarters. We will hopefully be back soon with new shows. Until then, be safe, take care of your loved ones, wash your hands, and if you're going to day drink, please do so responsibly. Cheers.
Day drinking. Day drinking.